Hello guys, so this is my pipe cleaner curls season of the Don't Dread It Lock series, and this is my very first raw attempt at doing pipe cleaner curls, and it was a struggle. I got my pipe cleaners from Walmart. They came 25 I believe into a pack, and a lot of people put multiple locks on one set of pipe cleaner. I felt that it was kind of difficult to do so, but I'll explain that all in my raw uncut footage of that. You can buy them on Amazon, the pipe cleaners as well. You can get a bigger pack, probably about the same amount or maybe a little bit cheaper depending on where you live. The one tip I could say is if you're going to do this and you follow certain tutorials where you have to like kind of have a loop and then twist the pipe cleaner all the way down, make sure you have that done. So basically have your rollers pre-made before you even think about retwisting your hair. I did not do that, so I was making my rollers, trying to do my retwist, trying to have my retwist hold and then put it on the roller. So yes, these are not as a result of the pipe cleaner curls, but I will show you my curly results at the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time. Hey guys, so this is just some footage of me and my first attempt. I unfortunately did not have footage of me actually using the pipe cleaner and retwisting all the way up. So basically what I did was retwisted my hair at the root. I put a clip on there to secure it. I did have to use these foam rollers in the middle of my hair. But I took my pipe cleaner that I made into a roller, rolled it from the ends of my locks all the way up to my scalp, and I let it air dry, and they were so uncomfortable, but the curls came out really tight and really beautiful. So I may retry this later and give you a more in-depth attempt. But thank you guys so much for watching.